All right, good morning, students. Welcome back to your lecture videos on the topic of criminal law. So I've uploaded all your law taught video, lecture 6A, B, C, and D. And then also you'll find that you will also get the same sort of videos as well. You will get the law of thoughts, which will be uploaded in your lecture slides as well. So here for thought law, we've given you 4 videos as well, so you find in your slides as well. Right, for today's lectures, we'll go on to cover criminal law. So criminal law, there's 3 slides there. I will begin with the slide that says criminal law in PNG, and then basically I'll give you the course content warning. Criminal law, as always, we use explicit words. In criminal law, we use what you call literal translation. So there is no using idioms or metaphors or any other words. We use words for its literal meaning. So some of these words will be used, and I want you all to take it as a learning curve. Right, we start by the topic of what is criminal law. So criminal law, first of all, is a system of law that defines and punishes acts or omissions that are prohibited by the government because they threaten or harm people or property. So for instance, it has to be a system of law, and then that law specifies punishments, acts or omissions. So the criminal code will set out offenses of rape, murder, armed robbery, all these offenses. And then these offenses, they are prohibited by the government. For in this case, Papua New Guinea government has enacted the Criminal Code Act because they threaten or harm people or property. So that's why these laws are created. So the purpose of the criminal law is to control the conduct of society and basically provide retribution where conduct is harmful to society. It is exchange for peace and security that citizens give the government the power to make and enforce criminal law. So the underlying notion of peace, which is why we give the mandate to the government to pass certain laws, so that in these laws or with these laws we can basically live in a more organized society. All right, when you see the criminal justice system, so the criminal justice system is a framework of laws and procedures designed to control social behavior to the prevention and punishment of criminal activity. The courts are expected to ensure criminal justice within their jurisdiction. Parliament is responsible for passing the laws, which will declare what illegal conduct is and determine the penalties. All right, so Parliament will pass a law saying that this sort of conduct of society is criminal in nature. As a result, when they do that, the laws will be enforced or in place. When someone breaks the law, it is now up to the police to go and arrest the person, bring them to the police station, charge them for the offense that they've committed, and then after they're charged, their right to bail comes in. Right, they're required to make a phone call to any lawyer or legal representation they have, and then the case will proceed to the courts. Proceed to the courts, they'll be given fair representation, a lawyer to represent them in court, and then the courts will conduct a trial on the matter, and if the evidence proves beyond reasonable doubt that the offense has been committed by the accused, then they will be convicted. Once they're convicted, after conviction, the courts now must determine the type of sentence to give the different sort of offenses. So different offenses rank from very serious offenses like willful murder, treason, to minor offenses in the criminal justice system. The criminal justice system is made up of different dynamics, including lawyers, judges, police officers, who ensure that the protect society. People that offend the law and break the law are punished, and as a result of this punishment, they are tried by courts and they're imprisoned or they're given fines for that behavior. So in totality, you will know that the criminal justice system basically is a framework of laws to control social behavior. We don't want robbers running around the street, we don't want rapists around the street, we don't want willful murderers around the street. That is why it's a conduct to control social behavior. Alright, so that is what you mean by this criminal law and criminal justice system.